What's happening, everybody? I'm Josh from Motorvault, and this is a 1993 Alfa Romeo Spider Veloce. This is the final year for the Alfa Romeo Spider, the iconic drop-top, 2-liter, silky smooth, Pininfarina design Spider. They started making these in the 1960s, and they just slowly upgraded and really made this car just a great little sports car from Italy. Verde Inglese over tan. It's hard to beat an Italian drop top, green over tan. Beautiful design, silky smooth, 2-liter 4-cylinder, 5-speed manual transmission. And this one has been repainted with a reupholstered interior with the suede inserts. The car is absolutely awesome. It drives like a dream. These cars are so fun on back roads as they're only 2,500 pounds. So they are just a great little weekend cruiser, great cars and coffee car. And this one pulls the heartstrings for me for sure. So check out more with this one at motorvault.com.